Hello and Namaste. I am Sonika Moharjan, an ACCA member. Today I am here to describe about PER and share my experience on it. Like most of the professional qualification, ACCA also requires its student to complete practical training, which is generally termed as PER, that is Practical Experience Requirement. To complete PER, we need to work on a relevant accounts and finance role for 36 months under the supervision of an IFAC member. Our supervisor don't need to be an ACCA member but can be a member from any member bodies of IFAC such as ICAI, ICANN, CPA and similar others. During the PER, we need to complete 9 performance objectives, all 5 essential and 4 out of 17 technical objectives. We can get the practical training from audit firms, companies and other ACCA approved employers. We can obtain the training before, after or during the 13 ACCA papers. We can even take breaks or change our roles. After completion of the 36 months and 9 performance objectives, our supervisor will sign them off and we can move towards the next step, that is membership. So, why is it important and considered an important component of ACCA? It is because the values, ethics and behaviors to become a professional accountant cannot be learned from books only. Applying the knowledge in real life helps to deepen the understanding of the subject matter and fills the gap between theoretical knowledge and real life problems. Further, we can grasp tax and regulatory matters, which is important for a professional accountant in any role. We can also develop meaningful networks needed in the future. To sum up, it keeps us a step ahead of competition due to competency in addition to certification. Secondly, we should neither consider it as a 9-to-5 job or as a 3 years experience only. The faster we learn, the more we get and the more competent we become. What we earn in PER is not the stipend, but the competencies, which includes knowledge, skills and attitudes. For that, 3 years is too short. So, we need to buckle up our shoes and push ourselves so that we can get as much well as we can in these 3 years. So, the next question that arises is how to make it fruitful. In order to make it fruitful, we need to select companies or audit firms based on our career goals, that is, who we want to be in our future. I was a person with business mindset and I wanted to know how to run a business, how to identify problems and how to make strategies to meet organizations' objectives. So, I joined a management and financial consulting firm rather than an audit firm. This proved to be fruitful to me as I was not working out there. I was learning the things that I enjoy a lot. Saying that, I don't suggest to skip exams and studies just to complete the PER. Time management, an important skill, needs to be learned and applied. In life, we cannot focus only on one thing but need to balance every aspect of it. And same goes for ACCA qualification. We need to balance work and study life. For that, we need to connect the dots between 13 ACCA papers and the PER. In fact, it's linked. Like, I completed paper F3, Financial Accounting, and took up a role as an account assistant in a multinational insurance company. Then I shifted to the role of internal auditor in one of the largest automotive trading company of Nepal. There, I applied the knowledge of F8, audit and assurance, while identifying internal controls, applying audit methodology, sampling, evidence collection and reporting. As a result, I was successful in passing the paper, becoming Nepal rank holder. Similarly, I obtained World Rank 2nd in paper F9 Financial Management and practiced value investing. Likewise, after completing SPL Strategic Business Leader, I practiced management consulting. The paper taught me to analyze companies, its environment and develop strategies to move ahead. Thus, PER is supplementary to 13 ACCA papers and vice versa. It's beyond the 3 years job experience. It's all about developing competencies and getting yourself ready to land in your dream job.